The story behind this table. I was driving home from running errands and I pulled up to a light, and at the intersection of this light is a petrol station, a bagel shop, and a house. Now, at the front of the house was this guy. Free. I guess they didn't want it anymore. 2 weeks later, that house burned to the ground. Everybody was at that house. The marshals, the fire department, the police department, everybody was at that house when it burnt down. Anyway, that's where I got this table from. I hope everyone was okay. I saw a table on Pinterest, thank you very much Pinterest, similar to this, kind of, but I like the color combination. So today we are doing a start to finish. We're going to, well, actually I'm not going to tell you. I'm just going to do it, and you just have to follow along and see what I do and let it unfold before you. Enough talking, let's get into it. Sanding with my fun little self prep. All right, so I have an 80 grit mesh sanding pad thing. I don't know what it's called, but that's what I've got. So hang on, I have to turn the vacuum on. It's gonna get loud. I'm going to give the edges a go with my spongy foam. Dixie Belle mint julep. I need a stirring stick because I've given underneath. I would have liked to have sanded all of this back. I would have done this and this to match, but because of the big water stain and this mark here, I already knew that that was going to be extra steps. Wrong one. And sometimes watermarks don't come out all the way anyway after sanding and then bleaching, so I just gave it 2 coats of shellac. Okay, I'm just going to be really super careful around here because I don't want to get any on the raw wood. I probably should have sanded it after I painted it. That would have been a good solution. Anyway, whatever. using Dixie Belle drop cloth. Nope, kidding. Buttermilk. Dixie Belle buttermilk. Going to wet my brush, wet the piece. Lots of water on there. And get a little bit on my brush and a cloth. Just a cloth. And now all the water is soaked in, so I'm going to wet it again. There we go. I'm going to go in these details with my golden ticket DIY brand. It's called Golden Ticket. It's liquid patina, so basically it's just liquid gold metallic. If I hate it, I'll just paint over it, but why not, hey? Why not? It's gonna take forever. Whose brilliant idea was this? I'm going to put furniture transfers on this. Now, these ones are redesigned by Prima. It says, make sure that your area that you're applying the transfer to is clean and free of any debris. Best results, make sure the surface you are using is primed and has an even surface. Towel dry, clean of dust. So, this doesn't say anything about having to put on clear lacquer or a top coat first. I know some people have done that, and maybe they did that over wood. I know that I did with my blue dresser, which, by the way, just sold. Did I already say that in another video? I don't know, but I was so excited. Okay. So, I have a gouge here. I don't know how I did that. When I turned it upside down, I put a gouge in it. Wasn't that fun? I've sanded it and sanded it and sanded it, and it's still there. It's obviously there to stay. This is Beautiful Things transfer. This is a rose from that transfer. Okay. So she's a petite little dresser. Mm-mm. She's a petite little table. I may end up keeping this for Hope and I'll put it in her room. The whitewash that happened on the top is so pretty, and the flower, just a little embellishment there and on the bottom. I'm super happy with it. This was a start to finish beginner's flip. I hope you enjoyed it. You could take something like this in your home and make it over for yourself using the products that I used, or really any chalk paint. There's a whole bunch of options, and in a few future videos I'll be trying out some new boutique paint, one from Australia and another brand that I've also been wanting to try for a little while, so stick around for those. They're coming out probably once we move and get settled. Just a little update for us. We have about 4 more weeks here at camp and then we are done. We are tying things up. It won't be long and the Laegers will be on the road. Stick around for those updates as well, and I will let you know where exactly we will be moving. 2 of you totally freaked me out because you both mentioned the 2 options that we were thinking of. So we are thinking of Tennessee or North Carolina. I thought I would let you all know that is what we're up to. I hope to see you on next week's piece. I was gonna say I really loved it, but I love every flip, even the hard ones that give me grief and it looks like I'm really mad in the video. I'm still loving it and having a great time. So I hope to see you guys on next week's video. Bye.